Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Igama lami uMama Thando. Lo igama lakhe ukhomba. Ubani igama lakho? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Let's sing the Sawubona song to greet all our friends around the world. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunda mngani. Yebo sawubona mngani. Mngani, I just introduced myself to you. I said, igama lami. Then I introduced my friend, ukhomba, and I said, igama lakhe, ukhomba. Then I asked you what your name is. And I said, ubani igama lakho. Now let's have a look at those sentences. Look at that. Igama lami, igama lakhe, igama lakho. My name, igama lami. Do you see how similar they are? The only difference is that very last syllable. There's mi, ke, and ko. So, my name, that's the one that ends with mi, igama lami. His name, igama lakhe, the one that ends with khe. And it's also her name. And then the kho, ko, igama lakho, that's your name. Do you see, mngani, the small difference between all three of them? So let's now say this one more time. So I am going to introduce myself, introduce my friend here, ukhomba, and then I'll ask you your name. When we get to your name, you can then say, igama lami, u, and then say your name, just like I do mine. When I say, igama lami, uMama Thando. So don't have any break or pause after saying, u. Go straight ahead and say your name. So let's start again. Igama lami, uMama Thando. Igama lakhe, ukhomba. Ubani igama lakho? You got it, mngani. Very good. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I am so happy to meet you. Now repeat those words after me. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Very good. You did that very, very well, mngani. Now, unjani, how are you? Well, I think what we should do is sing the imizwa yethu song so that we know just the right word to use to answer that question. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila. Yena unjani? ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani? Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani? Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. Oh mngani, wonderful song. Now I'm going to ask you again. Unjani? Wonderful. Mina? You're asking me? Oh, mina. Ngiyaphila. I am well. Ngiyaphila. Well, mngani, let's get going with our lesson for today. We do have quite a lot to cover. So let's get cracking with that work. Now, mngani, we learned earlier this week, ngomsombuluko, on Monday, that to say a day in isiZulu, we say usuku. Usuku. Days, izinsuku. Days. Now we want to say days of the week. Izinsuku zesonto. The word isonto has 3 different uses in isiZulu. One is a week, isonto. Another is Sunday, isonto. And the third one is church, isonto. So in this case, we really just work with these 2, which is a week, isonto, and Sunday, isonto. Another day for a week is iviki, iviki. Of course, mngani, these words are borrowed words from other languages. Now, let's now sing the days of the week. Let's put Komba down for this song, mngani. You know the drill. You can clap your hands, you can snap your fingers, you can chikiza, you can stamp your feet. As long as you're having fun, safely, and memorizing the words and also pronouncing them correctly. Now let's get started. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Wonderful mngani. Buya Komba. Come back, Komba. Our lesson, mngani, is about commands, instructions. We are going to learn how to use izenzo, verbs, in isiZulu. Now, the word verb, so just one verb, is isenzo, isenzo. Now you try. Great job, mngani. And the plural is izenzo, izenzo. Now you try. Very, very good, mngani. Now, mngani, the shortest sentence ever that you can make is giving an instruction, a command, telling someone what to do. Now, mngani, it's like this. Sit, walk, be quiet, leave. Do you get it? Speak. You see, we are just using just the one word. Well, except for be quiet. In English, it's using 2 words. but really, it's one verb, quiet. Now, we do exactly the same thing in isiZulu when we give commands, because those are commands, those are instructions on what to do. Not necessarily shouting at anyone, but anyway. These are simply verbs, izenzo, action words. If you look at the ones that we just looked at in isiNgisi, English, they're just verbs. There's nothing with them. There's no pronoun or anything. It's just the verb. We're not saying anything like Amahle is walking, Andile is talking. No. We are just using the verb on its own. Walk, talk, leave. We are using the verb to tell someone what to do. Like this in isiZulu. Hlala, sit. Hamba, leave. Thula, be quiet. Khuluma, speak. Why are you quiet? I don't understand, honestly. Speak. Oh yeah, I did just tell you to be quiet. Thula. Now, look at these words, Mngani. They have nothing else around them, just isenzo, the verb, only. That is the shortest sentence you can make in isiZulu. Let us give instructions or commands to some people or animals. Pay attention to this. We are giving instructions to only one person, to only one animal or one object. Let's tell the dog to bark. Khonkotha, khonkotha, bark. Let's tell this person to read. Funda. People must just read. Let's tell this baby to crawl. Khasa, khasa. Oh, cute. Let's tell the cat to sleep. He does look sleepy. Lala, lala. Let's tell Dad to drive. Shayela. Now let's tell the singer to sing. Ula, ula. Did you see that, Mngani? We were giving instructions, commands. Let's tell this teacher to teach. Fundisa. She kind of looks familiar. Now, Mngani, we've told these people and the animals what to do. We have given them instructions. We have given them commands. Only by using isenzo, the verb, on its own, with no pronoun before it at all. We didn't even use the person's name or the dog's name or the cat's name. That is how you give an instruction in isiZulu. We will learn more about giving instructions tomorrow, kusasa. Mngani, we've also been getting instructions on what to do the same way all along our lessons in isiZulu. We've been getting instructions from our Let's Move song. The song says, Sukuma, and we stand up. And the song says, Hlala phansi, and we sit down. Yeah, that is giving commands using a verb, just the verb and only the verb. Mngani, we are going to learn more about giving instructions tomorrow. Now, Mngani, let's pay attention to those commands and do exactly what we are told to do with our Let's Move song.
Sukuma, shaya izandla, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, jikeleza, jikeleza, eceleni, gijima, zilule, shaya izandla, thumba kabili, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, shaya izandla, zilule, jikeleza, jikeleza, shaya izandla, eceleni, jikisa, jikisa, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, shaya izandla, thumba kabili, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, zilule, zilule, phefumula, phefumula, hlala phansi.
Oh, Mngani, it feels great to exercise and stretch our bodies. Now, I will see you tomorrow. Ngizokubona kusasa. Sala kahle mngani.